In this DIY, we're creating an easy, hassle-free fairy light Christmas tree, perfect for transforming your home. For this DIY, you'll need twine, white tack, our battery-powered fairy lights, clear command hooks, your chosen photographs, small wooden pegs, and a pair of scissors. Before you begin, don't forget to test your lights. Using the twine, measure out the desired height and width of your tree and secure it into place with white tack. Plot your design with more white tack, steadily zigzagging as you work from top to bottom. Once you're happy, remove the twine and replace the white tack with the command hooks, ensuring that the hook is pointing upwards. Starting at the top of the tree, secure the lights into place onto the command hooks. Be sure to pull the lights taut to create a neat tree. Sporadically hang the wooden pegs throughout and attach your photos. Switch on your lights and enjoy your twinkling alternative tree.